Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download YouTube videos audio. For that you have to watch the full video, so let's get started. First you have to go to the YouTube. If you wanna download any songs or something, then click on that song, and then you have to click on share and then click copy link. After copying the link, then go to Chrome browser, then search download YouTube video. YouTube video. So here it is, Y2Mate. Then you have to paste the link out here, and yes, and then if you want to convert it to audio, then you have to just click on this anywhere, like whatever you want to convert. Like you have to click on audio and then click on MP3 or MP4, whichever you like. I'm selecting this one, the last one, and it's converting the thing. Yeah, it's going on, and so now it's ready to download. Then click on download. Yes, it started downloading. Yes, and your song is completely, like my song is completely downloaded. So here you can see. So that's how you can download YouTube video songs. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and guys, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel.